Example 1. In the circuit given, calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B, A and D, A and C in the given circuit. So, first case is to find equivalent resistance between A and B, that is between these 2 points. So, let us assume that current enters from this point and leaves from this point. So, now in this case, when the current enters here, it splits into 3 parts. So, all the 3 must be in parallel. So, now one current that goes through this 3 ohm, the same current flows through 7 ohm. So, 3 and 7 are in series. So, effective is 10. Now, if you consider between A and C, this 10 ohm and this 10 ohm both are connected between same A and C. So, these two must be in parallel. So, these two must be in parallel. 10 and 10 are in parallel, effective must be 5. Now, this 5 ohm is in series with this 5 ohm. So, 5 and 5 are in series, effective is 10. Now, between A and B, there is one 10 ohm and another 10 ohm. Both are connected between A and B only. So, they are connected in parallel. So, 10 are in parallel, effective will be 5 ohm. So, effective resistance between A and B is 5 ohm. Then we need to find between A and D. So, if it is A and D, then this connection, let us take it here. So, let us say current enters from A and leaves at D. Now, again when it enters at A, it splits into 3 parts. One part which goes through this 10 ohm, same goes through 5. So, 10 and 5 are in series, effective is 15. This 15 is in parallel with 10. So, it will be 15 into 10 divided by 15 plus 10. So, this entire thing put together is 6 ohm, right. 15 into 10 is 150 divided by 10 plus 25, that is 10 plus 15, that is 25. So, 150 by 25 is 6. Now, this 6 is in series with 7. 6 and 7 are in series, effective is 13. So, this 13 is in parallel with 3. So, 13 parallel with 3. So, resistance between A and D should be equal to 13 into 3 divided by 13 plus 3. So, that will be 39 divided by 16, that is 2.44 ohm. This is for the second case. Third case is you need to find equivalent resistance between A and C. So, for A and C, so connect this to battery. Let us say it enters from A and leaves at C. So, now again current splits into 3 parts. One directly goes from A to C through this 10 ohm. Then it goes from A to D, D to C. In this way, resistance is 10 ohm, 3 plus 10, these two are in 3 plus 7, that is series. So, it is 10. Then another current goes via B to C, this resistance is 15. Now, 10, 10, 15 are in parallel. So, effective resistance between A and C, if I call it as RAC, 1 by RAC should be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. So, LCM will be 30. So, it will be 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 1 by RAC is equal to 8 by 30. RAC is equal to 30 by 8. So, 30 by 8 is 15 by 4, that is 3.75 ohm.